Welcome to Big Island, Hawaii. Do you have a dream to own a ranch in Hawaii or own over 100 acres of land to be away from everything?
Aloha, I am Chiaki Yamada, real estate broker from Big Island, Hawaii. I'm here at vast and beautiful Hokukano Ranch today. Welcome to my listing.
An extraordinary opportunity awaits on the picturesque slopes of Mauna Loa in Kealakekua. This off-grid, 106-acre fee simple tract, once part of the historic Hokukano Ranch, offers a rare chance to own a piece of Hawaii's rich agricultural legacy. Situated at a cool and serene 4,500-foot elevation, the property boasts rolling pastureland sprinkled with majestic koa trees and breathtaking panoramic ocean views, as well as beautiful mountain views of Mauna Loa, Hualālai and Mauna Kea. Zoned Agriculture 20A, this undeveloped land provides endless potential. Whether you envision creating a private retreat, establishing a working ranch, or pursuing agricultural ventures such as farming or gardening, this parcel offers the ideal canvas for your dreams. Hokukano Ranch, formerly known as the W.H. Greenwell Ranch, is steeped in agricultural heritage, reflecting the island's deep-rooted connection to the land. Here, you'll find an unmatched sense of tranquility, surrounded by open spaces and the natural splendor of Mauna Loa's volcanic slopes. Despite its peaceful seclusion, the property is conveniently located. It's just an hour's drive from Kona International Airport and within easy reach of local shops, restaurants, and essential amenities. Whether you're seeking to build your dream home, cultivate a legacy of agriculture, or simply embrace the quiet beauty of Hawaii, this property presents a once-in-a-lifetime chance to own a significant piece of the island's history and charm. The property is accessed via a gated, paved, and graveled road, ensuring privacy and seclusion amid the beauty of South Kona.
If you or anybody you know thinking of selling or buying a real estate on Big Island, Hawaii, I'll be happy to be of your service.
Hokukano Ranch is a completely different world from my beach life in Hawaii. It is cool and serene. You can only hear nature sound, nothing else. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Mahalo!